Hi guys, we are under the water.
So, the ones who think that swimming is not my cup of tea, I'll teach you.
Wait a minute, we'll give you the introduction properly. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel.
Yeah, I'm a very professional swimmer.
In his
National,
dream.
international.
In his dream,
So, a lot of medals I have won for India. Bharat Mata Ki Jai. And
his wife is right there. You can ask her. This is false information.
yeah, so everybody will be thinking.
So in today's video, we are just going. This guy has promised that he can teach swimming into.
Oh my
Sorry, wild card entry.
Once I taught this girl swimming, now she keeps on jumping.
So back to the topic. What we are doing today is this guy has promised he can teach you swimming in 2 minutes. So that's what we are doing. The time starts now.
See, it's very easy. Many people will be hitting so hard like this. Not like that. Initially, you should hold your hand here. Slowly lift your hip. Like this, like this, like this.
Now wait. Now listen what he just taught us.
Yeah. So,
Yeah.
slowly hit your leg
Sagade.
in a very swift way. Very swiftly you should be hitting your leg. Slowly you drop off and start waving your hand. Swimming is ready. I myself didn't know swimming. Today I have learned swimming. Yay!
This is the biggest scam of the universe. Please do not trust him. See, I know swimming, but I still followed his steps and now I forgot swimming. Yeah. What are your opinions on his swimming class?
His swimming is like dancing. It's very great.
What do you think about his swimming?
It's like some cooking class.
It is pathetic. Did you learn swimming today?
Swimming is relaxing. Opinion on swimming, I say.
Idji, opinion on his swimming class?
One of the best classes I've ever gone to.
All of this is paid promotion. Do not trust. We'll go back to this pathetic swimming teacher. This is one student who just learned swimming in 2 minutes.
Yeah, he's my student. I just taught him 2 minutes back. Now see him. One more student I have there.
Oh,
2 minutes to learn, 4 minutes to become very professional swimmer.
I'm also a student.
She's also my student.
I will teach
Just
you.
2 minutes back I have taught her.
I'll
Now
teach you underwater swimming.
Okay.
I'll not teach you. I'll show you.
Yeah. Her mom was so scared when she came here. She was like, please teach my daughter to swim. And I promised her mom, आप कुछ भी टेंशन मत ले लीजिए. मैं
We have a few. What more wild card entry?
she is also my student. She came all over from Belgaum to swim here.
That's it for this video. If you, hey, hello. If you
Because I have many students to attend. Sorry guys, I'm very busy. I have very hectic schedule. That's the Sundays, you know, right? Bye bye. Bharat Mata Ki Jai.
if you like this video, you know what to do. What to do? Like, share,
and Sabaka Barai. Sabaka Barai.
See you in the next one. Closing notes.
Yeah, I have taught to a lot of students, but for my wife, it's very difficult.
Wife who's standing outside because she knows the reality.
Yeah, she's scared.
She's scared of him.
Not scared of it.
That's
But
it.
it was...